Kasama natin from Valenzuela and Poblacion. Hello!
Hello po.
Hello po, hello po.
And what I like about the two of you, hindi lang kayo young, wild, and free. Ibig sabihin, bagets ng pageant ng King of the World, and also jolly ang personality.
Thank you po.
Diba?
Yes po.
That makes you sets apart from the other candidates. Baget, tapos jolly lang, ini-enjoy lang bawat mga moments natin.
Yes, ko.
Para ko po talaga ma-enjoy. Happy-happy lang po lagi.
Lang, positive lang, GV lang tayo. You, grabe yung pinakita mo kanina sa swimwear round, and that made you one of the winners of our swimsuit round para sa ating preliminary. Kamusta ang feeling na yun?
Parang nakaka-excite lang yung feeling na may mga napasaya ako, may napahanga ako, and yung pinaka-importante na part doon ay nag-enjoy talaga ako sa ginawa ko. Yeah.
You being the youngest one, hindi ka pa pressure to compete with your kuyas out there? Medyo, di ba bagets pa?
Well, aminado naman po talaga ako na very well experienced na po yung mga candidates and mga kakalaban ko po. And just for me, I'm just enjoying po. I'm just showing what I can do, my confidence, and the things that I can prove as a 17 years old po.
Yeah. Do you think a young guy like you can be a king? Isn't it?
Yes.
What do you think about that? Can young guys like you can be a king?
For me, anybody can be a king, because especially young boys like me or any regardless of age have the potential to be a king on their own way, on their own profession, on their own hobbies.
I do believe we have already surpassed the era wherein being a king is defined of how masculine you are and how you act. I believe it's all about the principle, the value, and intent. As a young ambassador, I do believe that anyone can be a king as long as they inspire and help the community to grow and prosper.
Can you please invite everyone to watch our coronation night?
So, ini-invite ko po ang aking pamilya, sa aking supporters dyan, my friends, to all of my supporters from my social medias, Basti Askri in also social media, and please follow 1010 TV on their social media, and please watch us on our coronation night on April 13. Thank you.
I'd like to invite my family, friends, supporters all the way from Poblacion, Muntinlupa to watch our coronation night at Santa Lucia Mall. And habang nanonood na kayo, don't forget na i-follow din syempre si 1010 TV, and sobrang bait na itong taon. Talagang gaganahan ka tayo pag in-interview ka.